Hey everyone, I'm LeighAnn if you don't know me, and if you do know me and you're back, thank you so much. I'm glad to have you guys back. Today we are doing a fall try-on haul. This is kind of a collective situation. I got stuff from Asos, I got stuff from Nordstrom, I got boots, I got sweaters, a lot of fall stuff because it finally feels like fall outside. And also I've been having some jeans struggles. I'll get more into that later. The struggle continues, to be completely honest, but I did find some really good stuff. Some hits, some misses. I'm gonna show you everything. I tried everything on separately yesterday, and now I'm just gonna go through everything and I'll show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Or not the ugly, the slouchy. Okay, the first outfit, which I'm saying outfit, but I'm just trying this stuff on, you know, trying to make an outfit, but none of these are necessarily like outfits, you know what I mean? I'm just trying to try the stuff on so you can see what it looks like on my body. But the first look, I'm wearing this sweater right here. This is such an interesting color. I feel like it's kind of coming off brown on camera, but it definitely is a lot more like an army khaki yellowy green. And though I feel this color is ugly, it's not a pretty color, it's not really a color that attracts me, I've learned to accept that this is a color that actually kind of compliments me and it makes my eyes look a little bit more green. And so over time, I've been trying to embrace more green, and this is a really, really cozy sweater. This is from Nordstrom. It's cropped, and while the sweater is super cozy and soft, and I love the big sleeves, it's kind of like almost like a bat wing drop sleeve kind of situation. I love that about it. It is cropped, and I'm really tall. I'm 5'11", so anything cropped is gonna be even more cropped on me or look more cropped. And I feel like that's okay. I'm in Texas, it gets cold, it doesn't get insanely cold. So if you wear something high-waisted, it all works out. I have it with high-waisted leggings. I love these leggings though. I got these from Asos. They are from the tall section, but a lot of times when you find something in the tall section, you can also find it in regular sizes and sometimes also in petite sizes as well. These are so cute. They're really nice and high-waisted. They've got a nice stretchy waistband, so they're really comfy. They're long enough for me. But really the best thing about these leggings that kind of set them apart from other like leather look leggings is this pin tuck detail down the front. It's really subtle, but it makes them so much cuter. I mean, other than that, they're just like black basic leather look leggings, nothing really crazy about them, but I feel like it elongates my legs and it's just so cute and it makes it different than other leather look leggings. And these were definitely affordable, and I know I will get a lot of use out of these with big cozy sweaters and anything else, everything else. I'm so happy with these. Also, as always, I'm gonna link everything in the description down below, and I'll try to also link my shoes and whatever else I'm wearing if you're curious. Okay, let's move on. Okay, next up I have jeans and a sweater, and together, these are a nightmare. It's like, what in the evil 80s stepmom is going on here? But I will say, I really like this sweater. It's super cozy. I like the colors. I like the detail. It's just so soft and big, and it's just like bundle you up in like winter perfect. I just like a really, really cozy sweater. Who doesn't, right? Everyone likes a cozy sweater. This is a cozy sweater, and I actually just noticed that this one is on sale. Hopefully it's still on sale when this video goes out. I will link it. You can check it out. It's simple, it's cute, I love it. But obviously the problem here are the jeans. These are just wrong. I'm not saying they're wrong for everyone. I see so many people doing the like slouchy mom jean thing, and it works, it's cute, I love it. That's why I'm trying to jump on it. But on me, I just don't feel like it works. Tell me if I'm being crazy. Tell me if I'm being stuck in a rut and not accepting a new trend when I should. But this just does not look good on me, especially this pairing. It's just wrong. I think I'm even wearing two different shoes because I was just like, it doesn't even matter. Neither of these shoes help the situation. It basically looks like a Halloween costume. Like I'm doing like an 80s ugly Halloween costume. And obviously I could have put it with a different top and maybe it would have helped things. But you'll see further down in the video, I tried some things, okay? But these jeans are just not looking right on me. I love how high-waisted they are. I love the slouchiness, but like, are they too slouchy? Are they too mom jean? Is it crossing over from cute fashion into like costume territory? Because that's how I feel about it. I feel like these jeans don't work on me. I feel like they have to go back, but Definitely feel free to tell me if I'm crazy or if you see exactly what I see and it looks like a bad 80s Halloween costume. And I also have to say, these jeans are just the tip of the iceberg. Jeans have just been not on my team lately. And honestly, I'm not on their team either. If you've been watching my vlogs, I actually split a semi-new pair of jeans. They're not new, I got them like a year ago, but I haven't worn them that many times, and I was out plant shopping, I squatted down and they split down the back. And they were kind of like a mom jean kind of thing. Like there was no excuse for them to just rip out of nowhere like that. They weren't tight at all. And then also, I just went through hyperstimulation. I did IVF. If you've been watching the vlogs, you know all about that. And I was super, super bloated. I posted a picture on Instagram if you'd like to see what that looks like on me. And it's actually feeling like fall outside, so I wanted to wear jeans. I put on some jeans and they did not fit at all. I mean, obviously with hyperstimulation, I should, lower my expectations a bit. But that moment was one of the big inspirations for this whole order. Because I was like, I just need to try some different styles of jeans. I need to probably size up. I just need to rethink my jean situation because clearly I am not getting along with the jeans that I have right now. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. The struggle is continuing though. It doesn't get better, unfortunately. Okay, yet again, we have a hit paired with a miss. I am in love and obsessed with this top. Again, I went with a green color. I told you I am accepting that green is for me. I am for green. And this top is just so cute and so flattering. Again, it is cropped, but it looks so, so, so cute with high-waisted jeans. And it's not an uncomfortable sweater by any means. It's super soft. I feel really good in it, but it's definitely not something like this where it's very oversized and comfy cozy. You feel like you're swimming in it. This is definitely a lot more form-fitting, but I love the pattern. I love the color. I love the way it fits. It is so, so, so cute. I am obsessed with this. I wish it came in more colors because I would get them. Maybe it does and I didn't see that. I'm gonna do some research there. Let's move on to the jeans though. The lower half of the body that I am not in love with. These are very similar to the last ones, but maybe even more slouchy. I think these are actually called the slouchy high rise mom jean, but these have rips in the knees. I actually got two different pairs of these, one with rips and one without, and I also got two different sizes. I think these are a 25 and the other ones are a 26 because I didn't really know. Like I said, I was thrown into confusion whenever I tried on those jeans. I was like, I guess I don't know my size anymore. And plus, jeans are just hard to size. You just never know from brand to brand what's gonna fit you and how it's gonna fit. And I feel like these did fit me, but they were pretty snug. And I feel like when you're doing a slouchy mom jean, they can be a little roomy in the waist and that's okay. But these were definitely very fitted around the waist. And I just don't think the slouchy butt section is very flattering on me. And maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Maybe I am stuck in my ways and you guys need to let me know. But I just don't think these are very flattering on me. I wanna love them. Actually, let's just take a moment. Everyone share where you get your favorite jeans from in the comments. What are your current favorite jeans? Where do you get them? Why do you love them? I am so interested and I feel like it's an interesting topic for everyone to share. I saw there was kind of a trend going around on Instagram or maybe it was on TikTok and everyone was sharing their favorite jeans, trying them all on with different outfits. And I loved that. And I've watched so many of those. I feel like it's so interesting. So share that in the comments down below. I would like to try your favorite jeans. That would be really fun. That might even be a fun video. I don't know if you're interested in that. But I don't feel like these worked for me. I just feel like they're too slouchy. They're costumey slouchy. I do really love how they're cuffed at the bottom. Like I said, I'm a really tall person, and so it is very rare that I have to cuff anything at the bottom. But these with cuffs, I don't know, to me it's a novelty thing. But I don't think these worked for me. They're cute, maybe they work on you, but I don't know. I'm sorry to dwell on the jeans so much, but I feel like I'm on a quest at this point. Jeans have been fighting me and I'm fighting back. Okay, actually, this one didn't have its own outfit, and this is a very interesting choice for me. This is actually from Abercrombie. They were having a sale, and there are a couple of different influencers that I follow on Instagram that share Abercrombie clothes and sales and stuff, and I've never really given into it. I'm like, Abercrombie, like I'm not supposed to be shopping there. Like I didn't even shop there when I was supposed to be shopping there. Why would I shop there now? But I gave in. I checked out one of their big sales because I feel like they're always having a big sale. I found this comfy, cozy, hooded cardigan, and this is the softest thing I think I've ever worn. It is so incredibly soft. It's got these cute buttons here. It's got pockets, it's got a hood. It comes in a few different colors, but I went for the kind of off-white cream color. It's got big balloon sleeves. I love how it fits. To me, this is like going to the movies during the fall or the winter and like wearing a blanket. But it's cute. It's just so soft. I feel like it would go with anything. And even though it's huge and oversized and it feels like I'm wearing a blanket, it doesn't feel like lazy, if you know what I mean. There's nothing wrong with being lazy. I'm all about being lazy, but it doesn't look lazy. You know what I mean? Okay, next up, I have these super soft gray flares. I'm pretty sure these are supposed to be loungewear, but I would totally wear these out and about. They are just super, super, super comfy, cozy. Like it's a material that feels like it's like 1 millimeter from being like fluffy soft. You know what I mean? They're not thin, but I definitely wouldn't say they're so thick that I would like get really hot if I was wearing them around the house and like working on something or cleaning, or if I slept in them, I think it would be totally fine. I love how high-waisted they are. I love the just like mini flare at the bottom. These are just so cute to me, and they're just all-purpose. Like they're loungewear, you could run out in them. I just paired it with like a little tank top on top, but you could totally wear it with like a t-shirt, a button-up, whatever. I feel like you could even not dress them up, but like make them a little bit more than loungewear, you know what I mean? These are just so cute and so, so soft. Okay, this reference might not speak to all of you, but this next look had me feeling like Darlene from Roseanne. I'm pretty sure her name was Darlene. Do you have a visual picture? Because I do, and this is definitely not an outfit. Once I was done recording these outfits, I kind of was wearing this for a little while, and Grant was like, you look like a big kid right now. And that's exactly how I felt. I felt like I was wearing like hand-me-downs that I hadn't grown into yet. But I do have to say, I absolutely love this t-shirt. It is incredibly oversized. I got a size 2, so it's my size. I could wear a 2 or a 4 sometimes, and it is meant to be this large. Can it even fit in the frame? It is huge. I love a big t-shirt. I love oversized t-shirts. I'm definitely keeping this one. I love the stripes. I wouldn't say it's the softest shirt in the world, but I'm sure after I wash it, it will get softer. And it's just one of those t-shirts that you throw on with like biker shorts or leggings. It'll cover up your butt, and it's just cute and comfy. I love it. But paired with the jeans, and these are actually the same jeans as the ones with the rips that I just showed you, but obviously these don't have rips, and these are a size up. I feel like these also fit me, but they're just a little bit roomier in the waist, and they're just all over, so slouchy. I'm not gonna keep dwelling on the jeans thing, but I just didn't really feel like these worked for me. Okay, and I really wanted to throw these boots in somewhere, and I just threw them on at the end. They definitely don't work, but they're like the icing on the cake that is the Darlene from Roseanne cake. And I love these boots. These are so cool to me. They're Steve Madden, and from what I've learned, they are like a direct knockoff from some Gucci boots. I'm not really like a huge designer gal. I wouldn't say no to it, of course, but just for like kind of like a trendy boot, I don't think I'd really spend that kind of money, and I appreciate a dupe, and this is definitely a dupe. I think these little crystals around the top are really like loud and blingy and a lot, but I think they're really cool. But what's really cool about these is obviously they're like basic black boots, but then you've got this big jewel thing. Maybe you don't always want the big jewel thing. I don't know. For me, right now, where I am in my life, I feel like I always want that, but you can very easily just take it off. It's like a Velcro anklet. Should I wear these without the boots? And then when you take it off, it really is just like a completely basic black boot that would go with absolutely everything. And you don't have to have the whole bling thing. Does anyone say bling anymore? Basically, I just love the versatility. I love that it's a basic black boot with something a little bit extra special. And for something like this, for me, it wouldn't be worth the splurge, but I really appreciate that I can get it for way less. All right, that is everything for the fall try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, all the links will be in the description down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. If you are subscribed, thank you so much. You are my people and I love you. And you can find me on social media everywhere. It's LeighAnnSays. Come talk to me over there, especially Instagram, especially my Instagram story. That's where I update the most. And don't forget to let me know your favorite go-to jeans this season in the comments down below if you're into jeans. I feel like a lot of people are not even into jeans, and I'm like sort of that person right now. But I'm trying, obviously. They might hate me, but I'm trying. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everyone. There's a neighbor looking at me in the eyes right now. Could we not? Anklet. That's the right word. I was like, wait, anklet? She gonna get him. Honey.